did you think of Ryann's performance?
That was so beautiful. You sang that so beautifully. I absolutely loved your eye contact through that. Like you held your eye contact so well. It's like you told the story through your eyes, which was weird. Like it was so mesmerising. I couldn't take my eyes off your eyes then. It was weird. I loved your diction as well. It was crystal clear. I could understand every word you were saying. It was so clean and crisp. And that little bit of a crescendo you did, your breath control on that was really insane. Just make sure you're supporting a bit more on them higher notes. But overall it was so beautiful. Well done, be proud of yourself.
Yeah, I agree, Joey Blake. It was a really perfect song for you. You've got a perfect voice for like a Disney character, you know, like a princess. If I close my eyes, it's like Ariel or somebody is singing. You've got that sort of like that tone, and it was really, really beautiful. And like Zoe said, your face became really animated whilst you were singing, and you had just the right amount of light and shade for them, you know, just the right amount of balance. You really sort of you captured what the song was, and you told the story with it. It was really controlled. Your diction was perfect. I thought it was just such a really beautiful performance. Well done.
Well, you should be really proud because, again, at this stage, for all of you in the competition, it is such an early stage at the moment, and you all are still getting used to us and the environment. For me, I just want to see improvements from people. When I see improvements, I'm happy. It doesn't have to be perfect. This was 100% an improvement. You seemed more relaxed yourself. There was one or two notes when you went into your head voice that lost a little bit of the fullness from the breathing. But I'm sure you're aware of that when you went into them. You said, oh wait, they're not giving enough fullness for you. I know, because But I want to give you credit because, like for me this season, you were like our theatre star this season. You know, you've got all of that, and you remind me a lot of Morgan Stoddart. She's on one of the banners somewhere. There she is, down there. You remind me a lot of Morgan Stoddart. Now, she was like the theatre singer in her season and stuff, but you remind me a lot of her. And again, you've got that sort of voice that's perfect for Disney and all of that sort of stuff. Look, this is a learning process. You are on your way to growing, and you've taken the right step forward. That is what all you are needed to take from this week. You should be really proud of yourself. You looked the part. You stood there with the stand. You looked professional. You looked clean. So keep working on that and keep developing. Keep developing. You're on the right path. Well done, though. Round of applause for the guys.